Where are you going, Han?
Going to heaven.
Which way? Up or down? Heaven is only up.
I will fly.
You will fly?
Yeah.
No, but actually, where are we going?
In unlimited. Not unlimited. There.
Where?
Basta there. Walking there.
So there is a new place in Tacorong that has what?
Sizzling.
Sizzling daw, sizzling.
Buy one, take one.
She cannot speak very well because she has new tooth,
Yeah.
brand new.
With my food.
So let's go and get the tricycle ba?
Yes guys, welcome to my vlog. Nauman ako pero hindi mo nila
Eh, apel po nakabaga. Shop sa motor? Ay, happy ko ka na? Saan ang shop sa motor? Ay, nakakuha repair shop?
Bodybuilder.
Ay, bodybuilder siya. So, pintura, tapos pa. Oh, pintura. Gusto mo, welding shop man eh. Bakit nakaalam mo? Ah, okay. Siguro dati naka-resto bar man eh. Ito na, Blue. Mayroon sa entrance lang tapos na ikuan plaka. Where are you now? This is Flash Express. This is Motorace. They are hiring. Tacorong branch Motorace representatives. Okay. So we are going to eat something, but I'm not 100% sure what is that. Let's see. Madam is leading the way. It means that it's 99% chance to get lost because Madam is not very good in GPS.
Did you see what is that?
This one over there, Layo. So we go there. Let's pass by here. Let me take a video of who do not stop. Oh, mayroon camera. Nag-stop na sila.
Oo.
Hindi siya mag-stop ko eh.
Hindi siya mag-stop.
My license plate number ha?
Saan ba kay Marion?
It's okay.
Ito.
If you want to...
Oh, chips lang.
There is Puko there sometimes, no?
Yeah. We drink this one. We drink that one place.
Yeah. Sometimes you drink beer, sometimes Puko.
Ano, chip jang.
Ah, okay.
Because we are newly
Not chief,
open.
chef.
Chef jang.
Yeah.
Hi, chef jang.
Oh my gulay, there is so many rich people inside. I cannot make a video.
Why?
Look, oh. Look at all these SUVs. Maybe there is a governor.
Maybe.
May ayuda?
Wala, yoga.
Oh, look, oh.
Ayan o, grand opening.
Where we go?
Computer, oh. Sensor. Inside. Buy one, take one.
But we will come here first. Let's go in computer first.
Ay, naku.
Tara! Ayun na, tara! Oh, nami ang aircon, oy. Okay lang, naka-video ako? Okay lang, salamat.
Laptop man.
Hindi. Mayroon ako ang tower parang sa Ryzen 5. Set na Ryzen 5. Pero tower lang. CPU lang.
Ryzen 5. Ito pag walang graphics card. Ito graphics required kasi.
Ano to graphics card naka-required? Anong internal graphics na? 11 or 7?
Ang processor niya Ryzen 5 3400G.
Pero mahal.
Ang graphics card niya ito,
Grabe mahal.
Nice, oh.
Vega 11 na lasa.
11 siguro, no? Siguro 11, no? Kasi mayroon sila dalawa, depende sa kuan processor, no? Di ba? Kung may 7 or 11, no? 11 man na, di ba?
Saan mo gamitin sir?
Sa bahay. Parang sa kuan sigurado.
Ang editing mo?
Ang editing sa video niya. Hi, vlog.
Welcome to my guys.
Hi, guys.
Okay lang sa laptop, pero ang problema sa laptop, hindi pwede mag-upgrade. No, di ba?
Ang upgrade mo lang sa laptop, ang RAM niya.
Oh, yun lang. Yun lang. Pero hindi ko familiar sa processor niya. Ano to? 5600. 5600.
5600. Ito, meron naman kaming 5600G.
Without graphics card.
Without graphics card. Nakabundle na siya dito.
Pila ni?
Kano ba?
Sensor. Ayun lang.
Yung 5600G.
Estimated lang.
Ano yung tandaan?
Yung 5600G, graphics card. Ay, graphics card. Processor.
Hindi wala yung graphics card. 6,000. Na kasama na kuan motherboard at box.
Wala pang motherboard siya. Pero naka-combo yan siya. Mas mura ata yung mga bundle na price.
Dapat kuan. Laptop na talaga, no? Pinakamura na karon ng laptop, no?
Ano, may 7,000.
Hindi na, ayaw na.
Ayun na.
Surplus man eh. Pero mayroon ka kuan installment?
Jet
Pati
credit.
yung home credit.
Ay, sa home credit lang?
Wala pa na.
Pero mayroon ka kuan Gcash, no, di ba?
Pero po dito.
So, pwede mang Gcash. Okay na. Hindi ah. Kung basta mayroon Gcash, pwede na Gcash. Ikaw na bahala.
Ang back to dito.
Nami. Ay, oh, kita mo. Oh. Ano?
Ano na?
Mas kwapo ang kuan tower sa computer ko na yon.
Kahit saan tama na?
Oh, tapos 5,600 pesos lang.
Tapos pila na?
Ano, pila na? 5,600 ka ni.
Out. Pito, 5 lang ito yun.
Ano nga? High power wireless AP.
Ano? Okay, so wifi. Para
May-
may silbi ang ano mo.
Mayroon ka customer?
Oo. Tiyak balay.
Apply, lahat sila na wifi. Wala na ako ang customer ngayon.
Ay, kabaligyan mo nito si Kuan. Ng, ano ba tawag mo? Yung may card. Tagaan lang ka sa phone.
Voucher.
Voucher. Nagabaligyan mo nito sa voucher.
Mapakal na eh.
Nagbayad niya.
I will give you also voucher. Wala libreng wifi sa bahay.
Di ba kung mobile ko rin ito?
Ay, naka. Korpo man eh. Pero mahal. Mahal man eh.
Ay, kuan na sir. Wala yung kuan.
Nalipin siya?
Check na po.
Ang sign sa dito.
I-check na.
Okay, mo headset ka nawa on.
Hindi to. Oh, gani naka
Nagtanggal na.
headset ko always on my neck, on my head.
Naghimulmul na.
Gani. So,
Namay ano? Namay banato ko. Oh. Di ba yung government gamitin?
parehas ang brand.
Kasi mo?
Yan daw sir.
Pila?
Hindi ko makita.
Ah, hindi ko makita.
495.
Hmm?
Ano yun? 100 do. Gamay. 185.
Bakal ka kuan ang second-hand bakal ka second-hand computer?
Ano sir?
Bakal ka second-hand computer?
Ay, benta mo? Ano nag-WhatsApp mo?
Kasi computer ko naka-phased out na, A6 lang. So hindi ba? Si Quinta.
Yes po. Mga 2 months pa lang ata. Yes. Pagkaon nila yun. Ano kailangan?
Dapat diretso ka sa kuan sa Google Shopping. Okay ra? No, estimated price, di ba no?
Medyo
Ay,
affordable.
bago lang kasi kami dito.
128 man. If ever na solo lang, 128. Kung gano'n si Kuan, 200 plus.
Man, mayroon printer oh. Epson. EcoTag.
Yung ba? Sayang lang kung printer sa black.
Mayroon ka refiller.
Ano ka mo is? Ano? BMP ako din eh. Andon po. May anak ko dyan.
Okay lang, mayroon sa box, wala problema. Dura oh, mayroon oh. Oh, na.
Tagpilang printer lang.
Ang ano
Ano, bakal ka printer?
Oo, para sa overlay.
Hoy,
L3210, ganun mo ka? Ano okay, pwede ang long.
ano pwede?
Long bond paper yan.
Ah,
Print mo. Pwede scan. Print and scan man ito.
okay.
May keyboard pa man taon.
Meron na. Ano ni? Ano to?
Universal Custom.
Ano sir?
Baraha?
Ano? Ano?
Baraha?
Custom board po sa ano yan siya? Piso wifi.
Okay.
Ay, wala klaro.
Wala kami sa wifi.
Wala ko sa wifi ba?
Anong page mo sir? Ay, follow ka namin.
Bro Estong sa YouTube.
YouTube?
ay YouTube.
Ano din? Facebook?
Hindi kamay lang kamay lang follower ko. Ang 30 plus lang kasi bago lang ko dire sa Takurong. Tapos yun lang, nag-advertise ako local businesses. Tapos naga-local tubahan. Oh, gana. Tapos naga-local tubahan, local tanduayan.
Local gandoan?
Pero I will Mark RG Tech, no?
Yes. Bro, ano yan ma? Stone.
Pro hosting.
Nag-rides ka sir?
Ha?
Naga...
Nag-rides ako. Pero na yun, hindi ko man pwede mag-ride kasi naka-day off ko. Ang konsumo ako, medyo malaki ang kuan. Tanduay. Ha?
Wala?
590 daw ito sir.
Ha?
590.
Oh, talaga? 590 lang? Tapos na iguan? Pero wala siya built-in guan ang sound ano tawag niya? Noise reduction?
Meron to.
Meron?
May noise cancelling yun.
Kasi naka-call center ang trabaho ko.
Pero sa YouTube lang, isa pa words.
Parang yung boses mo lang masagat.
Salamat. Grabe. Oh, bago. Sa gabi lang nag-start ako ang YouTube channel ko. Yeah.
Pero matagal ka na dito sa Pilipinas.
Kuan.
Kuan ka
Hindi na
naman.
kasya man. No?
Hindi na siya kay hindi na siya
Saan galing?
Ay, hindi na siya kay ba lumugbalik.
Hindi.
Hindi man na mo.
Gani. Before there is a slot.
Sa baba. Dito.
Yan.
Pataka naman buka.
But I get to from there, no?
No, dito sir.
No, dito sir. Grabe mong English eh. Oh? Your Wi-Fi box, tipiling. Kwan, sige.
Ano?
Balik ako siguro parang sa kwan? Hindi. Parang sa Ryzen 5.
Yung nakabagyan sa...
Pero kung mayroon ka kwan, naka-Gcash talaga, mayroon ako kwan credit sa Gcash.
Pwede mo tayo magbayad through Gcash.
No, di ba no? Okay ra. Sige, kaon ka may dito. Mayroon kwan bago na kwan, di ba? Restaurant, no? Sabi nila mayroon maraming red doors. Ay. Anong maraming? Ano? Babul. Ano babul? Sige, let's go. Salamat.
Ayan o, buy one, take one.
Ikaw buy, ako take. Uy, I don't want to video here. So many people here, right? I feel so shy. Likod lang siguro eh. Kaya hindi? Dito na?
Okay lang daw mag-video siya. Ano to? Tibong? Yes, ma'am. Pero buy na lang kami. Sarap sana nito. Wala na. Ano sa'yo?
Hungarian steak, malaki ang sausage to.
Maray mo? Maray mo?
Ayo. Buy one take one, no?
Oo. Hindi pwede bahin? Hindi. Solo ka lang eh. Ako mag-solo po ko eh. Ano sa iyo han? Ito?
Oo, kana.
Gravy na lang siya ma'am. Hindi mag-solo.
Oh, gravy lang.
Hindi lang mag-andi rice. Gravy lang.
Okay lang, rice. No problem. Diet man ko.
Chicken sisig sa akin.
Solo ma'am.
Opo. Ito sa iyo.
Oh.
Ito sa kanya Hungarian. Free iced tea na rin.
Yes ma'am.
Oh, talaga?
Ano to ga?
Pwede mang kuhan take out isa ka kilo, 2 kilo? Hindi pwede?
May short order din pala kayo.
So we received our first order, chicken sisig. I'm not sure why they are not coming up at the same time, but you know, new place, new stuff, and maybe things are not working out well. But sizzling. Where is the sizzling? Okay. Okay, it's kind of hot. No way, dude. Okay, let's see my Hungarian sausage that I ordered. Lucky, you look at my Hungarian sausage. Looks like average of, you know, I don't want to tell anything bad, but you know. And their egg is also next to that, but only one.
Uwi pa?
And then
Java rice.
seasoned rice. Java rice?
Java rice.
Java rice with, I think, garlic.
Yeah.
You have also same, right? Yeah, you have also same.
May nag-order ng illegal lista?
Sir, Java rice.
po. Ay, nag-order siya, sir. Abot pa lang. Sige, sige, lato ko lang.
Java rice no?
Ano na? Sige.
Sige daw para i-video niya. Ay,
Grabe mong gravy.
oo.
More gravy!
Na!
Thank you.
Dapat bilhin lang. Sarap ng gravy.
You eat na. Thank you for the food. Amen.
I am telling you honestly, I was expecting footlong, but you know,
It's not
5 inch is also some kind of length. How do you feel? How do you feel?
This chicken.
Taste chicken? Because it's chicken.
Yeah, sisig chicken.
Salamat.
Thank you.
So,
Ah,
sige.
very init?
Init pa? Blow.
Init?
Sige na, good. Blow.
Dapat may spicy. I need to get spicy.
I don't know what to tell you. Let's wait for a while.
Init? Why you video me?
Because you're the one who is eating.
I will video you. I will you eat.
Okay.
Guys, magkaon na ang bullfrog. Og Hungarian, yan? Sausage niya.
Pero, oh, this is what sausage is supposed to look like. Not like
Hotdog.
hotdog. And you have gravy. Pero init siguro eh.
Init.
Pero mayroon laway.
Laway ka na?
Laway.
Namet? Satisfy your grave. That's very cheap, no? 100, how much?
60.
160?
Spicy na.
Spicy?
I will give you.
Very small lang. Maybe I don't like.
No, you like. I know you like. Balik.
Small
Try.
lang. Hindi man spicy.
Wait.
Oo nga, spicy nga. But very nice. Spicy nga. Their juice is just like water.
Pero sarap, no? Next time you order same. But please do not eat mine, ha?
Okay.
Okay, you eat your own food, ha? Okay.
Baboy.
So, result.
Finish.
Hungarian sausage. Perfecto. Quite spicy, very good. Gravy. Some vegetables. Emilio did not have vegetables, so I give one piece of carrot. And then it's the new place here, Chef Chang.
He just opened last March 25.
Oh. It's only a couple of days open. And see, Emilio ba? What did you eat?
Chicken sisig.
Chicken sisig?
Online did like.
You did not like?
No.
You did not like because you were expecting pork sisig, or you don't like because the taste was bad?
The taste is not good. I want that crunchy. It's just like corned beef. Sisig is crunchy dapat yun. Wala.
Ay nako, I'm going to be blocked all over the Philippines na. But no, my sausage, next time, you take sausage. Okay?
No, next time.
You don't even like that sausage ba?
I like the sausage. But no, next time. I want to try
But
that
how
other
big
one.
must be the sausage for you to be okay?
Extra large. Extra Ako dia. Tagay pre.
Na magdagay. Ako magdagay. Unfortunately, they don't have here beer, so I had to buy from the next steakhouse.
Cubs Yard.
What?
Cubs Yard. The name is Cubs Yard.
Later I will go there.
What are we going to do? Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
No. I will just go over I will just go over like a computer shop, like this one, like this one.
I want to eat that
Next-
Lebanese cuisine.
Next time, guys, we are going to that Lebanese cuisine behind me, and we will try. I want to try that biryani, and I think my wife wants to try hot dog.
No, I want to try their kabsa.
The what?
Kabsa.
Oh,
Kabsa.
what's that?
Just like biryani also.
Just like biryani. So we will take 2 biryanis, just different flavor.
Yeah.
Okay. So we go home now.
Ulan pa.
No, it's okay. We will take tricycle. You don't have to walk. Go home?
Sleepy ka na?
No.
Wait lang, ubusin mo muna.
Don't worry.
It's expensive.
It is actually very expensive here. I bought that in the steakhouse. 100 for this. No, thank you. But I bought it because I knew that this Hungarian sausage is going to be very heavy. So you need something bubbly. Coke was not good option. Let's go.
Tawag na tricycle.
Tara.
It's raining.
Tara. Let's get tricycle.
Oh my God.
Let's go.
It's raining.
It's raining, man. Oh, it's only tricycle. It's not tricycle stop. Maraming tricycle dere. Gani. Anong benta mo, how? Kana lang?
Pastel.
Anong flavor pastel? Chicken lang? Busog siya sa chicken, oy. Oh? Kumusta ang chicken mo?
Busog. Taxi.
Meron na, oh. Tricycle, oh.
Basa na kailangan.
Hindi, busy man siya. Wala klaro. So if you have to wait for the tricycle, you look left and right kung may na tricycle. Pero di ba may tricycle stop dito? Sa kwan? Sa Neocas? No?
Ayun lang sila.
Ano, yellow? Private na. Struggle is here. Sakay kami. Pwede mga apat? Hindi pwede? Ayaw siya, nagabayad siya mga utang.
Wala ka nakita.
Surrender siya.